Breaking news on Dr. H. Holmes with Alyssa Guzman. Dr. H. Holmes, or Herman Webster Miggett, was born May 16, 1861. He's currently in his early 30s and was last seen leaving the murder castle in Chicago. He is the prime suspect for 4 murders in the Chicago area. He's currently still at large, so if you see him, contact your local police and do not approach. As stated earlier, he was last seen in the pictured murder castle or hotel that he had built, which is the main crime scene for the murders that he has committed. Please stay away from the active scene. As seen, this is the murder castle, the last place the suspect has been seen at. This is a layout that officers have now navigated. It is described as labyrinth-like, which made it difficult for the victims to escape. Officers discovered that Mudgett executed his murders in the basement of the hotel, and it is currently still an active crime scene, so please stay away. Mudgett is no stranger to crime. While he was a student at the University of Michigan, he stole corpses from the school. Additionally, he's a con artist who tried to scam an insurance company by faking the death of a friend. It is unknown as of now how many more crimes he has committed. As stated earlier, Mudgett faked the death of a friend, Ben Pitzel. This friend is now one of Mudgett's victims, along with 3 of Pitzel's children, who were all found dead at the murder hotel. These 4 murders are currently the confirmed victims of Mudgett. However, Mudgett is also suspected of killing these 5 women, which we believe he had swindled their money off of them and then murdered them. The number of victims has been speculated by the police. Some believe Mudgett has around 200 victims, others claim 27 from a confession he made. However, he only has 9 confirmed victims as of now. Once he is apprehended, he will be charged with the murder of Ben Pitzel and his 3 children. There is unfortunately not enough evidence right now that he has killed the 5 other women. Local authorities are hoping to get him sentenced to death by the end of his trial. With the police still unsure of the amount of victims Mudgett has, we can only hope they continue investigating any rumors or possible leads that indicate Mudgett has more than the 9 confirmed victims. Once again, I would like to remind everyone watching that Mudgett is a dangerous criminal. Do not approach him, and definitely do not speak with him or follow him anywhere. If you do see him, please contact the local authorities immediately. Stay safe.